In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get verified on Etsy. This process can be completed in about 5 minutes if you follow these steps closely. So let's dive in and ensure your Etsy account is verified and ready to go. First things first, you'll need to create an Etsy account if you don't already have one. To do this, choose your preferred method of signing up, whether it's through your email, Google, Facebook, or Apple account. Each method is straightforward, but if you're signing up using an email, make sure you provide an active email address that you have immediate access to. This is critical for the next steps where confirmation will be required. Once you've set up your account, it's time to verify your email. Etsy automatically sends a confirmation link to the email address you used during the sign-up process. It's important to check your inbox and sometimes your spam or junk folder to find this email. Simply click on the link provided and this will confirm your email address with Etsy, allowing you to proceed with setting up your profile. The next step in securing your account and ensuring its authenticity is setting up two-factor authentication. Etsy may prompt you for a phone number to facilitate this process. Two-factor authentication is a vital security measure that helps protect your account by requiring a verification code, often sent via text message, in addition to your password. This added layer of security is essential not only for your protection, but also to help establish your account's credibility on the platform. Following the setup of two-factor authentication, you may need to provide some identity information. For sellers, Etsy might request documents such as a government-issued ID or tax information. This is part of Etsy's policy to maintain a trustworthy marketplace where buyer and seller identities are legitimate. Make sure your documents are clear and in the formats Etsy accepts, as this will expedite the verification process. Once you've made sure all your details are correctly submitted, it's a matter of waiting for Etsy to review your information. They will assess all the provided documents and details before granting your account verified status. This waiting period shouldn't take too long, but patience is key. Etsy will notify you once your account is verified, either through an email or direct notification on your account. And there you have it. By following these steps carefully, you'll be well on your way to having your Etsy account verified. This verification gives your business added credibility in the eyes of your customers, fostering trust and encouraging more successful transactions. If you encounter any issues during this process, Etsy's support resources and community forums are great places to find assistance. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you smoothly navigate the Etsy verification process.